me the storm beneath the desert sun. Heir to the blade, the Al Ghul sun. Trained in silence, forged in flame. But my roar isn't mine, not my mother's name. My cradle was carved from war and gold. Ceremonial halls was cold. But I walk the line with shadowed grace. The lion cub with a warrior's face. With fire in my veins, shadow walker proud of ancient names. Not just a sword, not just the air. I breathe the oath I was always there. Lion born, and I won't kneel, not to fate nor Bruce's steel. A child of two worlds, scarred and sworn, I wasn't made, I was lion From the leak to the cave, I brought my storm. Backed by choice, not by form. A soul split down ancestral lines. But watch me rise, the legacy's mine.
الأسد لا ينحني, the lion does not bow. دمي نقي, دمي نار. My blood is pure, my blood is fire. مشيت شرف, نظرتي سيف. My eye gaze a blade, I am more than what they made. Lion born, fierce and free, no cage can hold the heart in me. Son of Talia, student of Bruce, but my path is mine, I cut it loose.